welcome to my channel DoonValleyGreens. Today I would like to invite you home and have tea with me. Today I'm going to show you not my home but my terrace garden, or in fact the small patch which I have. Let me change the setting of the camera and I'll show you now. हाँ तो क्या हुआ? This is a small patch and there is again a small patch here, but we do not maintain it because we have dog which likes to pee all over. So these are my stairs which take me to the first floor where my workshop is. Let me peek you in the neighbor's garden as well. This is their Frangipani tree. Right now, since it's fall, you can't see many leaves, but then it is beautiful here. And that's her flowers. This is not mine, this is my neighbor's, but I'm giving you a sneak peek. There is that mango tree at the very end and a banana and whatnot she has, but she has a lot of stuff. Her lawn is really very beautiful. So that's her. That's the cutest one what she has. He is a very young dog. And that's my pooch. There are so many dogs in this lane now. Then I show you my next hobby other than soaping. Oh, these are my potted plants. Because I usually dry them up, and then these are not calendula, this is something else. I don't remember the name, but it's something else. Then calendula, these I am allowing to germinate, to dry out. Then I'll make seeds for the next year. These are my plants. This plant over here, you see, this grows from the leaf. We call it as Brahma Kamal, which blooms at night. Only in the evening it will bloom up for just one night, and it looks beautiful. I'll post some pictures from internet right here and you will see how beautiful it is. And this is my potted mango. This is a small bouquet of my dried roses and dried calendula, and mix it up to make a bath tea, and I give it as giveaways. This was my lemongrass which I used to infuse my oils. So now this is gone. Now I'm waiting for the next harvest and we'll infuse some. And there it is. This is my 6, 7, 8, 9 years old bonsai in making. Since it's fall, there are not much leaves, but it will grow. And then I had planted some aloe vera. Now these are just growing up here, then I'll repot them in the another pot. And these beautiful lilies, they are so pretty. So here are my plants in one go, and this is my workshop. I haven't renovated it yet, though I had plans of renovating it in this summer, but it rains here even in summer, so I don't know what to do. So let's see. I'll show you the insides sometime later. Bye for now.